You want simple, low competition t-shirt ideas you can upload this week. I've got 5 niches, a quick note on the competition, 3 design angles for each, and a ready-to-use prompt you can copy and paste into your AI art tool. Let's get into it. I'll be in my office, aquarium art fish keeper. Now, the competition here is 89 results, very low. And why this niche works: niche pride, witty, in my office, gag for aquarium hobbyist. This is a really cool one. A play off of, I remember I'll be in my office and it'll be like a garden concept, right? As far as like a wheelbarrow and some plants and a shovel. That's just really cool. And that one's been around for at least 10 years now. Now, different angles you can do here. Okay, like a tropical tank office. Think of like different things inside the aquarium. So like coral, clownfish, tanks, desk lamp, silhouette, stuff like that. And then number 2 would be like a planted tank nerd. So lush, aquarscape, CO2 diffuser, like a rock landscape. Okay, and then number 3 is a betta enthusiast, a single elegant betta with orient fins, airy layout. So just think of these different ideas. Now, when you're looking at certain keywords to aim for would be aquarium shirt, fish keeper tee, planted tank, aquariuscape, betta fish lover. Now, here's the prompt idea. Whimsical, I'll be in my office, aquarium scene, colorful tropical fish and corals, settled desk outline, bright teal blue palette, clean bold headline at top, centered position, print ready on black t-shirt. Now, keep in mind, this is just a prompt idea. You can work this and work it in your own way. You can literally change the text by changing out I'll be in my office to something different. And this is just an idea of how to create something like this with your AI generator. Arguing with me is pointless. You made me mad. It's a funny saying. Now, competition, 156 result. It's still manageable here. So you can definitely, there's some wiggle room that you can do with inside this niche. And why it works: it's sarcastic, one-liner with a confidence tone, great for gag gifts. Anything with sarcastic, being funny, being smart, it always works on a t-shirt, right? Now, the different angles here. Think of a sarcastic skeleton, minimal skeleton head, eye roll lines. So we know that skeleton's been working really good as far as like they do really good all year, right? So this is a really good idea. Now, like a stopwatch gag, tiny clock icon, subline, I'm ready in 10 minutes ahead. So just think of different ideas that you can do here, right? I feel like when it comes to this is something that you can get a long list, go over to ChatGPT, plug this in, and it'll give you a ton of different ideas. Now, different keywords that I'm seeing in this niche: sarcastic shirt, funny argument tee, pointlessly mad, debate joke. Now, if you want to plug this in, this is going to be the prompt idea to your AI generator: bold distress typography with a small snarky skeleton icon. Headline: arguing with me is pointless. Subline: I knew I was wrong 10 minutes ago. I'm just trying to make you mad now. High contrast white ink on black, centered, print ready. A quick pit stop, then we'll jump into niche number 3. Want weekly low competition niches with keywords prompts like these? That's exactly what's inside the top research design vault. It's the system I use to find winners fast. Link's gonna be down below in the description. And once you sign up, you get access to over 1,700 research niches for you. Niche number 3, EMT paramedic. Calm down. I've done this on a mannequin. The competition results 230. And why this works: insider humor for EMTs, a professional vibe with a vintage badge. Now, when it comes to something like this, I want you to think about just funny sayings for any type of job, occupation, anything like that. If you can work in something that's like a funny sense of humor, this would work really good. Now, there's different design angles, anything with the retro style like that: a star of life, ambulance, radio waves, a sunburst. So that's one idea. You're just thinking of different concepts, different ideas. Number 2 will be a road stripes, angled stripes, stretcher, silhouette for action fill. So just think of like different ideas, different movements, and different, think of paramedic, like what are they doing on the day to day? And then number 3 would be like training day. This is like something would be like graduating or becoming an EMT or a paramedic, right? A mannequin outline of a clipboard silhouette or a clipboard icon stimulation. All right. So get the idea, we're using the mannequin already. And then what else can you do with the mannequin? So just think of different ideas, and you can literally plug that into ChatGPT to help you do that. So the prompt idea is going to be a vintage EMT badge with the star of life. Settle amulets and radio icons, distress retro colors, big headline. I've done this on a mannequin. Please calm down. Clean centered layout, black shirt, print ready. And if you guys are seeing this, I'm just doing a different spin to try to speed up things for you to kind of give you the value as fast as possible, but making sure that you guys understand this. So this is more of just a voiceover and scripting everything to get it all in place for you, but the value is still there, okay? Number 4 is going to be funny gamer logic. 475 results. Okay, this is a little bit on the higher side, but there's a big audience here, right? Anything with gamer, there's a big audience. And why it works: clear infographic layout. Gamers love list style logic jokes. So there's different angles here. Numbered logic, 1, 2, 3 steps with tiny controller, monitor icons. This is a good idea. And then a latency meter, ping bars, blame lag panel, meme style. That's a good one. So like blaming stuff, like when you're playing the game, if you see people blaming people when it comes to certain things or certain concept, like certain missions or anything like that's a good idea. Patch notes, gamer logic, V1, 2 row with check boxes. A really good idea when it comes to something like this. I feel like when it comes to anything like this, so think of patch notes, think of the idea, the different concepts. Now keywords: gamers logic, shirt, video game humor, gaming infographic tee. Now, this is going to be the prompt idea. So the prompt idea is a clean gaming infographic layout. Number list, gamer logic, bold, white text on black, simple controller PC icons, high readability, modern, minimal design, centered composition, print ready, right? So you go ahead and plug that in wherever you want. I personally love to use Ideogram AI. I'm going to have that down below in the description too, if you want to check that out. Number 5, cool bro funny panda. Competition, 126 results. Pretty good, right? And then why it works. So just think of, so this is like general. So cute animal plus meme slang, easy to sell to kids, teens, internet humor. So obviously the kids are not going to be buying it because they don't got the credit card, but the mom, dad, uncle, and it's giftable, right? And then especially when school starts or Christmas or birthdays, all that's big because it's all coming from different angles: grandma, grandpa, uncle, aunt, cousin. Those are just different ideas, right? Now different angles: standing, like a standing panda, big attitude stance, caption bra, right? And then a skate panda, board under feet, street vibe, minimal lines, and then headphones panda, lo-fi, chill, stars, sparklies around. All right, now keywords: panda meme shirt, cool bra panda, funny animal tee, kawaii panda. Now the prompt, okay, minimal black and white cartoon panda with grumpy expression, bold uppercase text, bra above, clean street wear style, high contrast, white ink on black, centered, print ready. All right, now you would plug that into your favorite AI generator. Now, keep in mind too, quick safety check. Always search trademarks for exact phrases, keeps designs original, your own wording, layouts, icon styles, no branded logos. Now, when I share with this information with you, it's important that you understand that you have to still check for trademarks and copyrights on your end. Just because I'm giving it to you doesn't mean you just go and copy exactly what is going, like the design. It's more of understanding what's selling and then going out there and creating your own. You got to get inspiration from this. Now, if you want the actual spreadsheet that I went ahead and researched and did all that, it's going to be down below in the description. That's free to download. And then if you haven't signed up for the top research design vault, that's going to be down below as well. Now, which niche are you uploading first? Comment 1 through 5, and I'll drop 3 keyword tells for your pick. And this is going to be like different design angles because we're looking at understanding the keywords. If you want more lists like this every week, niche angles, keywords, and a prompt. Stick around to the next video, and you want to watch this one next right up here, and subscribe to my channel with notification bells on. And if this helped, make sure you smash that like button. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.